Welcome to another episode of Exploring Singapore. Amidst the glass towers and busy streets of Marina Bay lies a hidden world of lush greenery, cascading landscapes, and tranquil spaces. Today, I'm visiting one of Singapore's most impressive urban green spaces, the Green Heart at Marina One. Located right in the middle of the city's financial district, this remarkable garden is hidden within the towering skyscrapers of Marina One, creating a peaceful oasis surrounded by modern architecture. As you enter the development, the bustling city atmosphere gradually gives way to a refreshing green environment. The Green Heart is designed as a multi-level tropical garden, bringing nature directly into the heart of the urban landscape. The concept blends architecture and greenery seamlessly, creating a space where people can relax, work, and connect with nature. The lush vegetation here includes thousands of plants, trees, and shrubs carefully selected to thrive in Singapore's tropical climate. The layered landscaping creates the feeling of walking through a miniature rainforest, despite being surrounded by high-rise buildings. One of the most striking features of the Green Heart is its tranquil atmosphere. Water features, shaded pathways, and dense greenery help reduce the surrounding urban noise, making it a perfect escape from the fast pace of city life. It's hard to believe that you're standing in the middle of one of Singapore's busiest business districts. The architecture of Marina One is equally fascinating. The towers curve inward toward the central garden, creating a dramatic visual effect while also helping to provide shade and improve natural ventilation within the space. This innovative design demonstrates how modern cities can integrate sustainability and nature into large-scale developments. The Green Heart is popular with office workers, residents, and visitors alike. Whether you're taking a short break, enjoying a leisurely walk, or simply appreciating the greenery, this space offers a unique experience in the middle of the city. Singapore is known as a city in nature, and places like the Green Heart showcase how urban development and environmental sustainability can coexist beautifully. If you're exploring the Marina Bay area, this hidden green sanctuary is definitely worth a visit. Thank you for joining me on this visit to the Green Heart at Marina One. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned to the Malabari Lens for more travel and nature experiences from Singapore and beyond. See you in the next adventure.